In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with WhatsApp using Zoco, a powerful tool that serves as a WhatsApp CRM for Shopify. If you're looking to seamlessly connect your Shopify store with WhatsApp to manage customer interactions more effectively, boost your sales, and streamline your operations, then you're in the right place. Let's delve into why integrating these two platforms can be an incredible advantage for your e-commerce business. What Zoco offers is a bridge, allowing you to automatically sync your Shopify product catalog with WhatsApp. This feature means that your product details are always up to date, making it easier for you to share information with your customers on WhatsApp without manual updates. To start, ensure you have a Zoco account and that it's configured correctly. Once that's set up, you'll want to head over to your Shopify store. In the Shopify admin panel, navigate to the Apps section. It's essential to locate Zoco in the Shopify App Store since it is the tool that will enable the integration. Go ahead and install it by following the prompts given within Shopify. Next, you'll need to sign into your Zoco account from the Zoco dashboard. Upon signing in, if it's your first time, Zoco will guide you through a series of setup steps. One of the most crucial steps is linking your WhatsApp business account to Zoco. This connection is what enables all the great features that align your store with WhatsApp. Once you're inside your Zoco dashboard, look for a tab or section called Integrations. Here, you should find Shopify as an option. Click on it, and Zoco will ask you to provide the necessary permissions. This authorization is crucial as it allows Zoco to pull your product catalog from Shopify and sync it with your WhatsApp business account. As you follow this setup process, keep an eye out for options related to cart recovery and order notifications. Enabling these features means Zoco can automatically send your customers reminders about their abandoned carts, potentially leading to more conversions. Additionally, order notifications sent via WhatsApp ensure your customers are always in the loop regarding their purchases, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction. Zoco also supports broadcasting, which allows you to send out promotional messages or newsletters to your audience directly through WhatsApp. This feature is particularly useful for engaging customers and keeping them informed about new product launches or special promotions. Do note, however, that there are guidelines and regulations around how often and what type of messages you can send, so always ensure you're in compliance. One more exciting aspect of Zoco is its support for ChatGPT-powered bots. These bots can handle customer inquiries and provide instant information, freeing you up to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. With ChatGPT-powered automation, your response times will decrease significantly, enhancing the overall customer experience. By following these steps, you have successfully integrated Shopify with WhatsApp using Zoco. Your store is now ready to provide a more engaging and efficient shopping experience for your customers.